Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically enable captions on YouTube Shorts. So I'm just going to go to Shorts here, and I don't think he talks in his video, so I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to select this like three dots here, and I'm going to select captions. And as you can see up here, you'll be able to see the caption. I think he was gonna say Beria, but I don't know why the caption is like Beria. I don't know, but it does enable the auto caption here. If you want to turn it off, just select it again and select captions. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.